I don't know if you've ever done the math, but you actually only get 4,000 weeks if you're lucky on this planet. And if you're like me, sometimes those weeks just seem to fly by way too quickly. I'm not saying this to bring you down, I'm saying it to inspire you to take action. If you've been thinking about starting a new non-alc revenue stream, now is the time to do it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It's never going to arrive. Just do the thing. Your future self is going to be so proud of you. Low and no alcoholic drinks are seeing a 48% increase year over year. Why? Because people are craving more exciting and healthy alternatives. The company French Bloom is looking to attract customers willing to pay $100 or more for alc-free bubbles. Diageo, which, for those of you who don't know, is one of the largest alcohol distributors out there, just acquired Ritual. This is crazy. And have you even noticed how many sober months there are now? It's no longer just dry January. We've got sober October. We've got no booze November. We can just keep going. Whether you feel too tired, too broke, or too busy to get your dream non-alc revenue stream created, have no fear. I have the resources to help you make this happen within 90 days or less. Go ahead and check the description for more information.